pink. Hi guys, my name is Nikita and welcome back to my channel. Now, excuse my hairs, I was about to straighten them up. I never had these curls, they were always wavy, but these days maybe because I'm just putting them up into a bun a lot because it's extremely hot, so maybe they have retained the natural curls. So I was enjoying these a lot today, so I didn't go through any heating process. I earlier thought to straighten them up, but then I just dropped the plan. Anyway, according to me, this must have been the most requested or the most searched out video on YouTube, because this is something that I have been seeing YouTubers do over and over again. I thought to create my version of the beginner's kit. So without any further ado, let's get started. My recommendation from primer would be this Master Prime by Maybelline. Now I don't know why I cannot link this product in the description. Maybe this has been discontinued, and also it is out of stock from quite some time, so I don't know what has been happening, but this is a brilliant product. Now this is not the most affordable ones. Like, I have tested out the primers by Inside Swiss Beauty, but I wasn't very satisfied with them. If you cannot find this product, then you can go for Nykaa's Prep Me Up or Master Prime by Maybelline. The newer launches are also pretty good. So after primer, the next product that is a must is a concealer. So I've seen a lot of beginner friendly makeup kits, but concealer was something which was not prominent. But I feel a concealer, especially one shade darker to your skin tone, is a must in everyone's vanity, because that conceals your under eye, that conceals your pigmentation around the mouth. And then if you go with a foundation directly onto your face and don't apply anything over it, your base will be perfectly fine. For concealer, I will highly recommend this Kryolan concealer. You can find this on their website. It is a budget friendly product, but it is not very travel friendly, because if you lose the cap, the product is all over the place. So this is the only downfall of this product. Else, this is a beautiful product. After a concealer, we need a foundation which can even out our face. So for foundation, I have this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless in the mini version. And if you're okay spending 500-550 rupees on your foundation, then you can go ahead and purchase the full size of this. We're done with the concealer, we are done with the foundation, and now the next step should be setting your face with a compact or a loose powder. Now I haven't found any loose powder which is into a budget and is good quality, so I'm not including any loose powder in this video. But Maybelline Fit Me Compact is a beautiful compact. It never dries out your skin. It definitely turns the foundation to a matte consistency, but doesn't dry out the skin. To bring our face back to life, we need a contour. So for contour, blush and highlight, I would highly recommend a palette like this. This is my go-to palette. Now this is in the shade Subtle Submit. So you get a contour, a highlight and a blush shade all in one. Now there are multiple reasons to go for this palette. Firstly, this is extremely travel friendly. Like, you just put it into your vanity and you don't have to search out for multiple products at a time. So that is one reason. The second reason, this palette is not extremely pigmented. So beginners, if you go for something which is extremely pigmented, it can look a lot on your face. Also, I have seen multiple people being very shy towards blush, and they are like, no, we don't like blushes. And also this will help you with that concern. Also, this wouldn't be a lot on your face. If you like more, you can build it up. If you like less, then you can just tone it down. Third and most important thing, this is extremely budget friendly. Even if you go for the same products separately, you will have to spend around 1200 to 1300 for the three products. We are done with the base products. Now moving on to our eyes. For eyes, I have these Swiss Beauty palettes. Beautiful 9-shade eyeshadow palette for just ₹229, and sometime even if you get these on offer, then these are truly a steal. Like, see the beautiful shades in here, like wow. Also, I have this nude version. Now I always suggest a good nude palette into everyone's kit. Whether you are a beginner or you are a pro, you need a neutral eyeshadow palette. You can pick multiple from this range, but my two most preferred palettes will be shade number 05, which is a neutral palette, and the next will be 01, which is this beautiful pink and mauve tones. So highly recommended. After eyeshadows, we move ahead with eyeliner, and for that I have this Lakme Insta liner. I know liquid liners can be a bit tricky for multiple people, like a lot of people out there, but trust me, once you are comfortable applying a liquid liner, there is no going back. This particular one is affordable, extremely good quality, and for a beginners, this is a must-have. A beginner's kit for Indian beauties is incomplete without a good quality kajal. So for today we have this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm sure 90% of us must have either used it or might have in our vanity. So yeah, this is again good product for a good price range. The next product is mascara. For today I have this, my most favorite mascara, that is Maybelline the Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Now it has other variant which isn't waterproof, so you can go for whichever you want. This is definitely one mascara not only recommended for beginners but for everyone out there. Must try. We're done with the eyes. Now it's time for our eyebrows. I have no words to praise this product. This is Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil. I don't know if this is waterproof or not. I use the shade Dark Brown 02, but this is a beautiful pencil. Like, for 75 rupees you cannot have anything better than this. So we are done with the base, we are done with the eyes. Now let's move on to lips. So for lips, I have 3 recommendations for you today. The first one is this Maybelline Nude Nuance 657. This is what I have on my lips right now. Now this was also there in my most favorite lip shade video. If you haven't seen, I'll definitely link it down in the description box. Check it out. So this looks beautiful. The second recommendation is, again, like, I am not someone who would wear a lot of red lipstick, like not a red lipstick fan, but I know a lot of people out there love red lipstick because it instantly changes your entire vibe. So for that I have this beautiful red shade by Maybelline, again a beautiful red shade. This is in the shade Rich Ruby 691, again from Maybelline Creamy Mattes range. Last recommendation for this video and for the lipsticks is this shade by Sugar Cosmetics 03 Tan Fan. This looks amazing onto every skin tone. If you are someone from deeper skin tone, if you are someone from fairer skin tone, this lip shade will suit everyone. These are the 3 lip shades that were my recommendation. And with this we come to an end of today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below what else would you like to see on my channel, and if you like my face, if you like my content, then please hit that subscribe button, and I shall see you soon in my next video.